Hi everyone. So I have hiccups, and I'm trying to get rid of them. And I think I already got rid of them because my dad scared me. Because whenever I have hiccups, my daddy scares me, and this time I thought he was gonna scare me. So then I got scared. So then my hiccups went away, but I don't know if they went away. But I'm not doing them, so I think they went away. Okay. And bye. I think they went away already.